Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls, Twin Goddesses. I'm Alicia, and look, I have this new company that I've not seen around before. This is called IDNhair, which means IDNaturalHair.com. I'll be sure to link all of their information down below for you guys. Their website pretty much specializes in practical styles that fit us personally, that are beginner friendly. So for those of you guys who aren't really into the customizations of wigs, you're gonna love this brand because everything is ready for you. But anyways guys, this is what they sent me. This is their Glueless HD Lace Bleached Knot Pre-Plucked Hairline Single Knot Scalp Lace Front Wig. This is exactly how it looks directly out of the pack. So you guys do see it is ready to wear. However, we're just going to lay it a little bit because it does have some humps and bumps in it. That is the only work you'll have to do. But can we please admire those knots? You guys can see up close that there is only 1 to 2 strands of hair in every single hole. We're going to get a better look at it in a minute, but guys, look at their pre-plucked hairline. I mean, wow guys, and look at the texture. This is their Yaki straight, so it does have those little crimps in it. I am going to take a little bit of my serum and I'm going to go through this hair and lay it with my flat iron, and once I'm done with that, I will be back.
You know I'm my time. Yes, I'm my time, girl. Give me slow wine for the rest of my life. Cause I know places we need to go, and I know things we need to do. And I don't see us breaking up when all I do is fiend for you. And if you don't believe in love, well, I have something for you. We can go to Africa, teach you how the streets move. I don't want to lose you. Tell me what you won't do, cause I do anything for you. Anytime rise the queen salute me. Nowadays girls them really ruthless. Yes, I'm my time. Girl, you know I'm my time. Baby, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasy. Girl, you know I'm my time. Baby, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasy.
You guys, look at this hair. Look how it's laid. I mean, that pre-pluck hairline is just looking super good. Now, as far as the parting space, it is 13 by 4 inches. And this is what those single knots look like compared to a double knotted, triple knotted wig. You guys, if you really want a natural look, you're definitely going to have to try out a single knot wig. Whew, I mean, just look at it. It looks extremely natural. For those of you guys who, don't know how to make your wigs look natural yourself, this is going to come directly out of the pack like that. All right, guys. But now here, I'm just going to go ahead and get the hair on. You guys can see that HD lace. It is melting right down into my skin with no adhesives. So when I do apply my adhesives, it will melt even further. But right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and cut off that lace. For the meltdown, I like to use my Bedhead Hardhead Mini hairspray and apply that on top of the lace with the use of a cool blow dryer. You want to work in sections so that the hairspray doesn't turn white on you. What I like to do is just spray a little bit and then use the end of a rat tail comb and the use of a blow dryer, and that really helps it kind of apply clear. If you do end up with a little bit of crust, just take a little bit of alcohol and just wipe it away, just a little bit, because you don't want that lace to come up. And because I do see a bit of like the lace showing through, what I like to do to kind of hide that is just pretty much to create baby hairs. So I did section off a little baby hairs, and I like to take my elastic band to kind of further melt that lace down. And to get the hair to lay on top, what I like to do is take my wax stick and apply it to the top of the hair, and also the use of my hot comb to kind of lay it, because I do find that with this particular wig, it did have a hump on top that I really couldn't get rid of, and my hair is really flat, so I'm not quite sure. But guys, after I remove that elastic band, this is how the perimeter look. I'm going to cut down those baby hairs and use a bit of my foaming wrap mousse to kind of go in and just style it the way that I like to wear it. So the lace blends right down into my complexion. This is why I love their HD lace. However, I don't know if anyone have ever experienced this, where you cut the lace. Do you ever get that little bit of like whiteness around it? Yeah, but anyways, I like to use my liquid foundation, a little bit of powder foundation, to further blend that into my complexion. Also, what helps is taking a little bit of your Got2b glued gel and just placing that right on top of those little tiny pieces of frayed lace that might be sticking up, because it contrasts as white. I don't know why. But y'all, I like to also go in and define my parting space with a little bit of concealer and just go back over my face with some more powder so that we get a flawless blend. And this is how the meltdown looks, y'all. Right? So right here, I'm just going to just pretty much frame the hair around my face, and I will be back once that's finished.
Say she give me feel my one, my one say she give me for me your sit. Enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me.
You guys, look at their hair. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the movement, the body, the luster, the shine, and that texture. Again, this is their Yaki straight, so it does have those small little crimps in the hair that helps mimic a natural hair type. And this does have their 13 by 4 inches of parting space, so you're going to get 13 inches ear to ear, 4 inches back. And if I didn't mention it already, this is a 20 inch, so it does fall waist length on me. My torso is a bit short and I am 5'8", so the hair appears longer on me, y'all. But can we please admire their single knot scalp lace, so you guys can see how natural the hair looks around the hairline, the body, the movement. A+. Now, for those of you guys who are nervous about adhering your units down, I do use a hairspray, and removing the wig is extremely easy. I just like to take some water and a wet washcloth and just kind of go and just dabble it on the lace, and it lifts right up with no damage. Again, guys, this comes from IDNhair.com. I'll be sure to link all of their information down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys.
Now you be the only one I see.